Hi everybody, welcome back. This is video number 3, and what we're going to do today is we're going to introduce you to Finn. So Finn is the in-house AI. Finn is not connected to the internet. Everything that this AI program does is all computed in-house, so it's all kept within the app, and it's a very good system. Sometimes you need to recheck things because it's a learning system. Things like fish identification, depending on the camera or the angle or the way that the photo is taken, sometimes it could be something different, or it could be a slightly different species, or it may just need to be schooled on what it is. Did you see what I did there? So let's go ahead now. There's two ways you can get to Finn. One is directly through the dashboard here on this button at the bottom right, or you can go into the menu and ask Finn, and we can go in this way, and that's fine. Now Finn will come up and give you a greeting, and also here it'll have your location. If this is not here, it should have something like enable location. Very important you do that, especially in New Zealand for the rules and regulations. And then the region here is also quite important because a lot of rules and regulations do overlap areas, or they're very close together. Obviously there's a definitive line, so we needed to define that, and the only way we could really do it is to actually have a region input. And you can see with this it does cover most of New Zealand. For those of you on the other side of the ditch, you'll have your Aussie locations in here also. So at the moment this is where I am, but let's have a chat. We can say, hey Finn, oops, his name's Finn, not Phil, and you'll have to excuse my typing. I've got fat fingers. Finn's thinking about that. So Finn is very happy to help you with anything. So you can ask him, what is the weather looking like tomorrow? You may even ask me where I am. You shouldn't do, because he wants to define properly where I am to give me the right answer. Now what he's doing now is he's actually pulling the information from our weather programs. And there we go. So he's giving us pretty good. And the tide is tomorrow, yes, and that's right, and low at 8:52. That's perfect. So yeah, so I can then say I'd like to get a gurnard tomorrow afternoon. And again, he may ask where. I say he. It's become quite fond of Finn all through the build. Right, what did he give us? So, given us the regulation, which is good, and part of my combined daily finfish limit. Now, if within that I could ask further what that is, I already know what it is, and I know that he knows what it is. So, and it is 20. So timing, the right spot, the bait, and the simple is best. So there we can then go, and what's a good way to cook one? You may answer this, I don't know, I haven't tried. this is the beauty about Finn. Every time it's, apart from rules and regulations and definitive spots that are good, oh, look at that, he's given us a good way to cook it as well. So that's cool. Awesome. So now you can also ask, what was my last catch? Oh, and because I'm on trial mode, it should pass through. It should be okay. Ah, there we go. So that was the kahawai that I that I caught yesterday, or the last video, and logged that location. So he's given me where it was, how big it was, and even you could even delve deeper and ask what the weather was doing at that point as well if you wanted to. So Finn is very, very, very good. If you want, what's the best rig for a kingfish? Again, sorry about my typing. There we go. So we've given a very, very good rundown on kingfish setups. And you may or may not agree with these. This is basically just, well, that's fishing, isn't it? Everyone's got their own way to do it. But basically that's Finn. Now Finn also handles the algorithms behind the catch data that you're pulling in, and the locations and the weather. So he's a fairly busy boy, and these will come through on the recommendation cards, which I'll put in the next video. But jump on, have a chat to Finn. He'll give you any kind of identification on a fish. We could actually try that as well. We can go, here's a fish I prepared yesterday. And we'll see what he comes back with. There you go. So, yep, snapper gives you the key features, the habitat, the techniques to get one, bait and lures, eating quality, how to cook it, what's even better, gives me the regulations for where I am, and also that this one is good. Now, if I happen to probably take a photo of a small one or undersized, he would more than likely question that, because obviously that's an illegal thing, and that. So, and what we're going to be trying to do is update the regulations as often as we can. It's quite a difficult process to do, but we're looking into that, doing that on an automatic basis. That will be later on. So, but that's Finn. As I say, jump in there and have a look. Now, what I will mention is that when this chat is finished, if you restart a new chat by either going out of this or this one here, that will reload a brand new chat, and anything that is in the last chat will be gone. So we just don't have the ability to save chats like that because it is such a massive amount of storage worldwide, obviously. So thanks for watching. Go and have a chat to Finn. Make him your mate. He'll do you proud. Or hopefully he'll do us proud. Tight lines, everyone.